Okay, here we are at the second day of Advent of God. We'll be solving that nosed reports. The question is all about having many reports, one report per line. Each report is a list of numbers called levels that are separated by spaces. 5 levels. Figure out which reports are safe. Levels are either all increasing or all decreasing. 2 adjacent levels can differ by at least 1 or at most 3. You have the unsafe, safe levels. How many reports are safe? I have already solved the question. You can go through this question. We can come to part 2 as well. So here we can tolerate a single bad level. How many reports are safe after tolerating a single bad level? You can go through the question. I'll give out my solution in Java. Let's go to my solution. Here's my solution. So I pass the input, then for each level create a list of levels. Then I check if it is either safe or can be made safe. Can be made safe is part of part 2. For part 1 we only need is safe. I'm checking if it is safe if the difference between 1 and 3 and if the levels are all increasing or all decreasing. If either one of them is true and if all the adjacent differences are between 1 to 3, our level is safe. For part 2, I am checking if it can be made safe. Here I'm just trying to remove each level and checking if report becomes safe. Starting with the first number and then checking if it is safe. Then we get a level, then we get an answer that can be made safe if we remove any single one of the report. Otherwise it's a no. Yeah, that's just my solution. Let me know in the comments what are your different approaches, if there are better solutions, better performing solutions for this. I'll be most happy to see new solutions. Bye.